And COVID cases in Shelby County. The cases went from 260 newly confirmed cases yesterday to 408 today. It's one of the reasons why a new health directive will be coming out next week, urging even the fully vaccinated to wear a mask indoors.
If you are in a high-risk indoor setting, we're urging individuals to wear a mask.
Fresh on the heels of the updated CDC guidelines for wearing masks indoors for fully vaccinated people and confusion over what it will mean for Shelby County, Mayor Lee Harris says a new health directive will be unveiled next week.
The CDC has recommended masks in indoor settings, even for vaccinated individuals when vax status is unknown or when individuals expect that they will be around others with a compromised immune system.
But Harris says the updated health directive will not mean a return to tougher restrictions.
There are no plans at this time to go back to COVID-19 restrictions or mandates, and that would include mask mandates.
Still, the number of COVID cases and hospitalizations are rising again. City of Memphis Chief Operating Officer Doug McGowan says blame it on the Delta variant.
The COVID-19 Delta variant is estimated in Shelby County to be making up now more than 90% of our new cases.
Some of those hospital cases now involve children. Dr. Nick Highsmith, the medical director of infection prevention at Le Bonheur, has seen an increase in Memphis.
There have been reports from Mississippi and Arkansas that have shown an increase in their pediatric patients that have been admitted to their hospitals there, and I can say we have seen an increase in the number of patients that we have admitted here in Memphis at Le Bonheur.
To slow down the spread of COVID, the city of Memphis has decided not to close the Pipkin Building mass vaccination site.
We will keep that vaccination site open through at least the end of August in hopes that we can meet what we think will be a rising demand for vaccinations.
Hopes for more people getting vaccinated, as the city also plans to offer a new concierge service, essentially bringing the vaccines to a location near you.
And if individuals have not been vaccinated and say, I would like one, we will arrange for a vaccine to come to them within 2 hours' time.
And the COVID task force says 279 people are now hospitalized in Shelby County with COVID. 89 are in ICU and half are in ventilators, a sharp increase just in the past week.